Hi crafters, I thought it was about time I formally introduced myself. Thank you so much to everyone who has watched, liked and subscribed to my channel. It allows me to continue to do what I love, and that's to make and share exciting free art and craft tutorials. And there's so much more to come. My name is Angela and I live in Australia. In a few short weeks I'll be moving back onto our floating home, which we've been renovating. Captain Alex has made so many shelves for all my craft supplies. We also have a sailing YouTube where you can see more of our adventures, which is called The Sailing Goldsmiths, but as we travel around the world, I'll be sure to share some snippets of ocean life with you as I craft. For the past 20 years I've been working as a jeweller, which I've really enjoyed. Running my own business has been incredibly rewarding, winning awards in the hearts of my customers with my dedication to perfection, but I've always felt the call of the ocean. I can't wait to just explore and enjoy exploring different crafting techniques. My favourite things to craft with at the moment is polymer clay, macrame, faux fur, quilting fabrics and wool, but I'll also be using all sorts of things I find along the coast of our beautiful world, such as shells, driftwood, ocean rubbish and grasses. I see beauty in everything, plants, trees, dead wood. I love to recycle and I care deeply about the environment. It gives me great pleasure to give a piece of rubbish a second life. You'll never know what I'm going to craft next. I'll let inspiration be my guide. Here's a few snippets of things I've made in the past. I'm so excited and I hope you join me on this journey. I feel eternally grateful. Hope to see you next time. Happy crafting, everyone.